Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 2:46 p.m. and today is 11th of June 2020. And how are you guys doing? And the market is really massively down by about 200 points. And I want to tell you guys that if you are present on my Telegram channel, let me just switch on my Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel, which has about 2,69,730 subscribers so far. So why I want you to be here, yesterday, StockPro team has posted a full analysis about the Bank Nifty, right? And it was clearly stated that this is the option chain, and it says in the last half an hour of today's session, we witnessed short covering in Bank Nifty, which led to call unwinding of 21,000 stock price. But overall, the structure is staying intact of option chain. We might see expiry below happening around 21,000 as of now, as per the chain. 21,000 is becoming a pivot point and major resistance at 21,500, having maximum call writing, and 20,500 as major support, having maximum put writing. Also, we look at the Dow future today. It has broken the low of the previous 2 days, and it is, if the selling sustains in Dow, we might see SGX to be coming down, and Asian market may open in red tomorrow, and eventually we might also see Nifty in the opening gap down tomorrow. Tomorrow is expiry day, and we will keep updating you all on the expiry levels of Bank Nifty. If there will be any change in the option chain, we will update you as well. Stay tuned, right? And then we have shown you this diagram. This is what we have shown you, and we have told you that just a sec. We told you that the first profit booking day, like this is market profile is and we are showing you along with volume profile and telling you exactly what is happening. So first profit booking day, then long positions addition, long rally day, second day of long unwinding, and then we have short covering last hour, right? And we've given that long positions are getting added here, shorts are getting added here, right? So how do you figure out that well in advance, a day before we take our position? This is what we are teaching in our market profile combo course, right? And look at the analysis people have made today itself, 40, 50, 60,000 rupees, whatever. The clear mindset was there. And if I show you, just have a look at Bank Nifty today, you will see it was such a deceptive move. It was such a deceptive move today. If I just look into the first 15 minutes chart, here it went up, right? From here it went up, and then look at the drop that it has had. And as we predicted, closing will be about 20,500. That's where the maximum put are written. Look at the closing right now, it's about 312, and you can very well see the closing that is happening is close to 20,500. So that's the kind of precision you get when you understand market movement well in advance, right? And what we teach in our this course is how do you have this dynamic, Bank Nifty option chain. It changes every second and gives you the correct, analysis. From this, we will figure out the right support and resistance, and combined with option chain, we can take the correct entries. And our members have made a lot of money today just because they were so sure about this analysis, right? Look at the Bank Nifty. These are not anybody's, um, you know, trades. These are our trades, right? These are our members' trade, Bank Nifty, right? These are all Bank Nifty trades are our members' trade, right? So you can just see here, these are Bank Nifty trades. So all of them who are aware of Bank Nifty are pretty solid in their trading, right? So what I'm trying to tell you here is that learning makes you understand market move in such a better way, right? Otherwise, the chart will deceive you. Charts will deceive you. Look at, I am just making my, video around 3:14 p.m. and we have predicted this well in advance, right? That is something you can keep in mind. How many points below market closed here yesterday? 21,241, right? That's where market closed. And we have predicted, uh, uh, you know, closing at about 20,500, right? That's about 1,500 points below, right? No, not 1,500 points below, but 21,000 is 21 to we about 700 points below, right? So this was clearly visible in our market profile, volume profile, and in the option chain, right? That's the accuracy. We knew the correct support and the resistances, and any deceptive move that Bank Nifty had in the morning, we could early decipher it, right? So if you really want to understand the correct support and resistance in Bank Nifty, the best way to do this is definitely this course, which is basically market profile and volume profile and order flow. So we take the help of order flow as well to understand where is huge buying coming in, where are the, like we have also given in the during the daytime to you people another trade, right? Another trade we have given, another example we have given to you, that about that was about Reliance. It says sellers are accumulating in Reliance in this area. Wait for breakout with volume and take your positions accordingly, right? Now, this could be a very deceptive move also. When there is a selling, there is almost similar amount of buying coming in. जहां पे थोड़ा बिग कैंडल है सेलिंग की, वहां बाइंग भी आ रही है, सेलिंग के साथ बाइंग भी आ रही है, राइट? तो ये ऐसे मूव जो होते हैं ये डिसेप्टिव होते हैं, बट अगर आप डेटा एक्यूरेटली रीड कर सकते हो और आपको इमीडिएटली दिखेगा कि एग्जैक्टली क्या हो रहा है, पीछे क्या हो रहा है और क्या सिचुएशन एग्जैक्टली है। सो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज में हमने एक सेल सजेस्ट किया था इस जगह पे, कहीं पे यहाँ पे हमने सेल सजेस्ट किया था इस जगह पे, और वहां से देख लो आप, लगातार वहां से नीचे आ रहा है। रिलायंस इज जस्ट कंटिन्यूसली फॉलिंग डाउन, राइट? 12-13 पॉइंट्स, वहां से रुका नहीं, ये कंसोलिडेशन जोन था और उसके बाद ये नीचे आ रहा है, राइट? तो this is what our trading analysis is, right? And I have given few stocks in the morning. I hope you have all watched it. This is today's trade. I have given a trade in I've given one trade which has activated Aditya Birla Capital, right? Aditya Birla Capital, Aditya Birla Capital, right? I have given a buy somewhere in the morning. I had given, today is 11th, I've given a buy at this place 56, right? It made a high of 58.7. Within few minutes it gave a 5% return. Look at here, this is Aditya Birla Capital. I've given a buy above 56 and it gave me a profit of 5% within few minutes. So that's the accuracy of this call, this channel. And I'm sure you all are making good money. You are all really, look at this. This is early morning update that we have given. That big buy took place in Bank Nifty today. As long as this level is intact, we might not see Bank Nifty to be moving down, right? The moment this level was broken, you saw the absolute free fall in Bank Nifty. You saw market falling down like anything, right? So you will get continuous updates. And look at this, people have booked. This is booked by Bhavneet himself, 28,000 rupees, right? Many members have made good money. So be present here and please share the Telegram channel with others so that they can also make money. And I do plan to make another video on support and resistance, maybe right now not, but this was with the help of market profile, volume profile, an order flow. So take care, right? We will meet soon. Maybe if not today, tomorrow I'll make a video on support and resistance. I have already prepared my slides and everything. So hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.